When you take out two Tronsmart Spunky Pro earbuds from the case on the first use, make sure to remove the transparent films. Then put them back in the charging case and fully charge them. You can choose to charge the case wirelessly or by using a USB-C cable. It should take less than 1 hour. Now we are going to show you how to pair to your device. The earbuds automatically enter true wireless stereo pairing mode when they are taken out of the charging case. The red and blue flashlight on the left earbud indicates that they have successfully paired. Then turn on your device's Bluetooth setting and search for Tronsmart Spunky Pro to pair. Keep your device close while pairing. Wait for a few seconds, the indicator goes off when the connection is successful. In case you just want to use one earbud, simply press the multifunction button on either the left or right earbud for 5 seconds until the red and blue indicator flashes. Then turn on your device's Bluetooth setting and search for Tronsmart Spunky Pro. Click to pair, just like last time. Keep your device close while pairing and wait for a few seconds until the pairing is successful. Then you're ready to go. For the specific gesture on the Spunky earbuds we listed on the screen, they're quite simple and intuitive. That's the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let us know. See you next time.